How's it going, guys? It's Nelson Kanyanga here. In the last video, we talked about what's a stock, what's a ticker symbol, and how much money you need to start to invest in the stock market. But what is the stock market? That's exactly what we are going to talk about today. In addition to that, we are going to discuss what is a stock market exchange and what is an index. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and welcome to Caçadores de Sonhos.
Lately it's looking like everything perfect. Out the mud with it up.
The stock market is the collection of exchanges and other venues where the buying, the selling, and the issuance of shares of publicly traded companies take place. Now, a stock exchange is what you have been probably confusing yourself with what a stock market is. Stock exchange is actually the place where you go to buy and sell stocks. Just think about the regular market, a place where you go, you find a product that you want, in our case, the stock, and you buy it if the price is right for you. Now, I know that it might sound a bit confusing to tell the difference between what's a stock market and what is a stock exchange, but just put it that way. The collection of stock exchanges is what makes the stock market of a given country. For example, in the United States, we have the Nasdaq and the New York Stock Exchange, and of course, many other exchanges. Those exchanges are what make the US stock market. In India, for example, we have the National Stock Exchange and the Bombay Stock Exchange. In Angola, where I'm from, we have the Bodiva, which stands for Bolsa de Dívida e Valores de Angola, translating to Angolan Debt and Stock Exchange. You have probably heard many times in the news people saying that the Nasdaq fell 1% or the S&P 500 rose 1%. What they are saying is just basically how the market has performed in that particular session. The Nasdaq, the S&P 500, the Dow Jones, they represent indexes which are basically averaged. For example, the S&P 500, which stands for Standard & Poor's 500, represent the average of the market cap of the 500 largest companies in the United States. The Nasdaq, which usually tracks the biggest tech companies in the United States, represent the average prices of those biggest US tech stocks. Now, as a summary, the stock market is the collection of exchanges. A stock exchange is the place where you go to buy and sell stocks, and an index is just an average. If you like the content, please share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and see you guys in the next video.
Lately it's looking